Chevy time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1955 Chevrolet 210 two-door post. Sharp looking car in bright yellow, riding on the star wire spoke wheels. Let's go ahead and take a look at this chrome bumper, front end, headlight surrounds, pinstriping by Relic on this car, and not over the top, just some nice accents on it. As you can see, paint shows well. And under the hood of this, it says a 283 small block built to 302 specs, 292 angle plug heads, full roller top end for longevity, 570 Holley on a Holley intake, and nicely equipped with power brakes, front disc, AC blows cold. Check out that engine bay, check out the underside interior pics of this car at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're watching on YouTube, it's going to take you right to our website where you can check out all the still pictures, or call us 507-386-1726. Take a look at how straight those body panels are, and look at the gaps and how even those are on that door, how nicely the bright work lines up. It's a well-built car. Borg Warner T5 paired up with that small block Chev. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that out a little bit closer. As you can see, rear windows, side windows are tinted. Be aware of your local and state laws for your percentage of the tint as far as darkness or letting light through capabilities. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at all the chrome bumper looks in the rear of this. Again, taillight surrounds, a little bit of that Relic pinstriping, just a highlight. Again, nothing over the top. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're watching on YouTube, you're going to see all the still pictures, and look at how straight this driver's side is. And once again, look at the gaps in the door. Look at how the bright work lines up. All right, let's go ahead and take a little closer look at this interior. Kind of a burgundy Corvin, nice combination. Black carpeting and dash, cool contrast. This car is going to show well at any local shows, roll-ins, cruise-ins. And you can see the fabric is in nice shape. The belts in the front seat. And you'll be able to see the still pictures of the back seats a lot better on our website, so check those out. Headliner intact, looks good on this one. All right, I want to show you something I did notice in here. Did not get the wipers to work. Pretty common. We've seen a lot of the hot rods, a lot of people using Rain X, and how many times are these driven in the rain. The other thing I wanted to note, here's your AC controls, heat and AC, vintage AC controls. If you notice, this cold arrow says up. They're actually flip-flopped when checking the heat and the AC. And notice this is heat, that is AC. So we're going to start this up. I'm going to show you that works a little bit. See how easy that starts, and this car sounds just amazing. See, the tack does work on the steering column, and the gas gauge did go up to half full. Here's the gas gauge, everything's working. We do have some Stewart Warner, it looks like. Aftermarket gauges down below. All right, let me show you this fan here a second. So we're on heat right now. Inside this door, you hear the fan kick on. It does blow. We don't really have warm air coming through, more room temperature just because it's a cold start. Now, if I click that all the way down, that's going to kick on the compressor. There it went. You heard that. And AC is engaged, and it is cold right now. So this AC blows, and it blows cold right away, FYI. This will change whether you're down on the floor, defrost, what have you. I click that back off, and you can hear the compressor kick back off. Did not have the radio working. With the sound of this car, who needs a radio?
Did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go, hood popped. As you can see, protective screen up here, keep debris, bugs, grasshoppers, what have you, an electric fan. That is removable, and I have it on and off in the still pictures, FYI. There you go, power brakes, headers, AC, been through that, poly carb, poly intake. And remember, this is a 283 small block Chevy, built to 302 specs, 292 angle plug heads, that full rocker top end. Done nicely, folks. What a great car for any of your local roll-ins, shows. This one will do well. 1955 Chevrolet 210 two-door post. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the descriptions. We can take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.